So, welcome to my shack. This is Delta Delta 1 Hotel Victor. My name is Victor. I'm radio operator in Germany, and I have a beautiful new addition to the shack. It's this new SWR meter from Dimitris, and it's a very accurate metering. Has also the option for external coupler for HF and VHF, UHF. And yeah, I will just wanted to make a short demo. So I will just key up on dummy load, and it has a very accurate reading, and you see it's auto ranging, so it selects the right scale for the application from smallest milliwatt power until 2 kW power. And it can also display PEP, which I am using at the moment. It has a very nice menu-driven system where you can set it up and calibrate, set an SWR alarm if you would have a problem with the antenna. It would warn you. And I also really like it has a very nice modulation scope, which I wanted to show you. And you can toggle the modes just by touching here on the upper side on different measurements. And yes, this is exactly what I wanted to show you. I just select sideband on the DX10, and as I'm talking 1 2 3 1 2 3 testing 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3, you can see the modulation waveform, and at the same time you see the PEP output power, which is very useful. You can fully customize the menu if you would like to see the internal or the external coupler. I am now on the external coupler, and here I could switch between the two couplers. It also has a very nice Wi-Fi option with a small antenna on the back, with the option for remote monitoring. So this is how I integrated it to my station, and yes, I am very satisfied with the performance. It gives very consistent readings for everyday use, comparable to devices, professional devices. So it's very accurate. And also the user interface I find is very easy to operate, and you have always in your sight the SWR value and how much power you're putting out. Yes, my station is an FTDX10 at the moment. I'm using an ARCO controller for the rotor. I'm using a hex beam antenna, some external equalizer for the microphone. I am on the RE20 from Electro Voice, and I have an ACOM 2000 A linear amplifier here in my shack. So thank you very much, Dimitris, for the nice meter. It's a very valuable addition to the shack, and I can highly recommend it to any fellow ham radio operators. I think it's the best product on the market at the moment. If you want lots of options, also the remote option, easy readability, 2 couplers, so you can have also, if you prefer, you can have in 1 meter VHF, UHF and HF. And yeah, the couplers are also very heavy duty, and you see that a lot of thought went into the engineering and into the construction. So it's very sturdy construction. Also the metal work, it's all made of metal, this case. The connections, let me see if I can get to the back. Yeah, maybe you can see it a bit. Connections are also very nice and clean hardware work, and it also offers free software upgrades over the air. You can do it with the Wi-Fi connection. So it's a very useful device, and I can recommend it to you if you are in the market to get a similar meter with a high power rating also if you are using a high power amplifier. I think this is the best option to get. So thank you very much. This was my short introduction to the meter. Delta 1 Hotel Victor 73.